What are arguments in Excel count functions? Imagine you're trying to find out how many numbers are in your worksheet. You might wonder what exactly you need to tell Excel to get that answer. That's where arguments in Excel count functions come into play. They are the inputs you give to tell Excel what cells or values to look at. When you use the count function, you need to tell it which data to check. These inputs can be cell references, ranges, or specific numbers you want to include. The syntax of the count function is straightforward. It looks like this. Count, then in parentheses, you list your arguments separated by commas. The first argument is called value 1 and it is required. You can give it a single cell, a range of cells, or a specific number. After that, you can add more arguments, up to 255 in total. These can also be cell references, ranges, or individual values. What does the count function do with these arguments? It counts how many of them contain numbers. It ignores blank cells, text, logical values like true or false, and errors unless you include them directly as arguments. For example, if you write is equal to count, A1, A10, Excel will check all 10 cells in that range and count only those with numbers. If you add more arguments like is equal to count, A1, A10, 5, 10, it will count the numbers in the range plus the number 5. It will also consider the text 10 if Excel interprets it as a number. There are other similar functions that use arguments differently. For example, count counts all non-empty cells, including text and logical values. Countif counts cells that meet a certain condition, like greater than 50. Countifs can count cells that meet multiple conditions across different ranges. But all these functions relying on arguments to specify what data to analyze. You can give arguments as single cells, like A1, or ranges like A1 to A10. You can also include multiple ranges or individual values separated by commas. This flexibility allows you to count numbers across different parts of your worksheet or include specific values directly in your formulas. Understanding how arguments work in Excel count functions is key to using them effectively. They tell Excel exactly what data to look at. By mastering how to specify these arguments, you can quickly summarize and analyze your numerical data. Whether you want to count numbers in a range or include specific values, arguments are the building blocks that make your formulas work.